Hello, this is the Meta Man. And what is this? This is an unboxing party for a Christmas present that I got. Me, a nice little Jewish boy getting a Christmas gift? Absolutely, absolutely. And I'm kind of proud and kind of not proud of it, but I do want to tell you all about it. You see, I've already made a video on why I'm not interested in Facebook's metaverse. And you can see that video right there. And it's the reason is that Facebook's metaverse is centralized. And that means that they get all the wisdom, they get all the knowledge, they get all the intel about you more than you know that you're revealing. You see, when you're a human, you'll talk about the things that are relevant to you today. But when you're an avatar, you talk about whatever you want to talk about. And so you reveal things about yourself that you may not realize how deeply you're revealing. And as a result, I said in that previous video that you can watch that I don't want to be involved in Facebook's metaverse. I want to be involved in the decentralized metaverses. And if you're interested, you can actually go there. I've got a whole playlist on the metaverse. But if you're still here, it's because the Meta Man rocks.
The Meta Man rocks.
I always like playing that. Now, I got a gift, and I got a gift of the metaverse. Unfortunately, it's Facebook's metaverse, but the person who sent that gift to me didn't really know. And so I don't blame her. Actually, I'm looking forward to experiencing it. So I will experience it and I will learn. And here it is. This is my unboxing party. If you really like this, subscribe because you never know what's going to happen. Sometimes I could be talking to you about technical analysis of where Sandbox is going to go. And sometimes you get an unboxing party of an Oculus Christmas gift. You never know. It's called Oculus. Oculus. And let's see what it says here. Inside the box, there's a VR headset, a silicone cover, 2 touch controllers, 2 AA batteries. Well, that's nice. A power adapter. Oh, very, very nice. Everything I need. And it shows some of the games: Star Wars, Climb 2, Jurassic World, Horizon, Beat Saber, Population 1. Wow. Next level hardware. Very, very exciting. A blazing fast processor and ultra realistic graphics put you in the center of the action. Easy setup. Open the box and jump into your virtual reality. No PC, no console, no wires or external sensors needed. Wow. Backwards compatible. You can blast, slash, and spin your way through the Oculus Quest content library immediately. Wow. 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 So I rate everything on how it ranks according to the Apple scale. I give Apple 100 out of 100 in opening Apple products. When I open an Apple product, I always say, wow, they just do such a glorious job. So I give a 10 out of 10 for this cover. It's really very pretty. And I give a 10 out of 10 for this. Oh, it's very well done. But then this box is just brown. No, if Apple did it, it would be pure elegant white. So the average so far is about 9 out of 10. Let's see how they do. So I open it up and well, that's very pretty. Very, very pretty. I've got my headset and my 2 handsets and an O. That's nice. Wonder what's in the O. That's got my attention. What's in the O? Let's open it up and see. Oh, it's an adapter. An adapter. Well, we need one of those. And that's pretty. And then, oh, it smells nice. It smells like a new car. Ah, my unboxing party. Thanks for joining me in my unboxing party. Wow. Wow, this is actually really beautiful. This is really beautiful. Look at this. It's really, this is, oh, it's really beautiful. And this is soft. This is very soft shapes to my face. And you can see there's some controls right there. So when it's on, I just put my finger up and go click, click, click. This is really well done. Oh, and this is all very adjustable. I think we're back up to about 9.5 out of 10. Well done, Facebook Meta. And then here's a console. I don't know exactly. I guess if I were a 6-year-old kid, I would know how to do this. I don't know. Oh, there. No, that's not it. There we go. Yeah. So I put my hand right here. And yeah, so the middle finger is on this clicker, this on this clicker. And then I've got 1, 2, 3 buttons in here, a big button and an A. Oh, a controller. Wow, wow, wow. An A and B. Okay. So, oh, and this obviously plugs into the headset. Okay, good. Well, now I can do better with the left hand. Yeah. Yes, I can rotate these, and I can press A or B on each hand. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, let's try it on. I guess I don't need my glasses. You enjoying my unboxing party? Wow, 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 wow. I don't even know what I look like. I'll have to play my own video to see what I look like. Actually, it's a little hard. There's a little bit of a problem. I can't put my hand devices on without being able to see them. Oh, here, there we go. So now I can put the, oh, wow, this is cool. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And it's completely sealed. There's no light that is seeping in. Wow. Oh, and also there's this. This is a kind of a rubberized thing. I bet you that fits right over this to make sure that no light gets in, but I don't even need it. You know what? I'll give it 9.5. 9.5. They really did a good job of packaging, and the product looks really, really spiffy, and it's not heavy. I mean, it's a good solid weight, but it's not heavy, and I can't wait. I can't wait. I don't think there's anything else in here. No, I don't think there's anything else. So I just have to download the app, and there's probably a beginner's game that I can play. And I bet you it syncs somehow to my Macintosh laptop so that I can record everything and then show you what I'm doing. Yeah, that should be a lot of fun. Thanks for joining my unboxing party. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hello, and thank you for listening to that exciting video. Now, click on Meta in order to subscribe so that other people will enjoy it too. And click right here to enjoy my previous video, and click right there to enjoy the video about Sand, my favorite crypto metaverse coin.